Mastering Y.2060's Y.2060's Dark Secret, Fueling Operational Excellence in ICT-enabled Business Processes. What is the primary goal of Y.2060's Y.2060, and how does its framework and guidelines support its realization, thereby enabling organizations to achieve operational excellence in their ICT-enabled business processes and services? The primary goal of Y.2060's Y.2060 is to provide a framework and guidelines for organizations to achieve operational excellence in their ICT-enabled business processes and services. The standard aims to enable organizations to design, operate, and continuously improve their ICT-enabled business processes and services in a manner that is efficient, effective, and sustainable. The Y.2060's Y.2060 framework is built around 7 key elements, which are critical to achieving operational excellence. These elements are: 1. Strategy and governance. This element focuses on establishing a clear strategy and governance structure that aligns with the organization's overall vision and goals. It involves defining the organization's ICT-enabled business processes and services, identifying stakeholders, and establishing policies and procedures for managing ICT resources. 2. Process management. This element deals with designing, operating, and continuously improving ICT-enabled business processes and services. It involves identifying key performance indicators, KPIs, setting targets, and establishing processes for monitoring and reporting performance. 3. People and skills. This element emphasizes the importance of having skilled and competent personnel who can design, operate, and continuously improve ICT-enabled business processes and services. It involves identifying skill gaps, providing training and development opportunities, and establishing performance management systems. 4. Information and data management. This element focuses on managing information and data as a strategic asset. It involves establishing policies and procedures for data governance, information security, and data analytics. 5. Partnerships and relationships. This element deals with establishing and managing partnerships and relationships with suppliers, customers, and other stakeholders. It involves establishing guidelines for partnership management, supplier selection, and customer engagement. 6. Technology and infrastructure. This element emphasizes the importance of having a robust and scalable technology and infrastructure that supports ICT-enabled business processes and services. It involves establishing policies and procedures for technology selection, deployment, and management. 7. Continuous improvement and innovation. This element focuses on establishing a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. It involves establishing processes for identifying opportunities for improvement, conducting root cause analysis, and implementing changes. To support the realization of operational excellence, the Y.2060's Y.2060 framework provides guidelines for organizations to assess their current maturity level and identify areas for improvement. The standard provides a maturity model that consists of 5 levels, ranging from initial to optimizing, which enables organizations to evaluate their current state and determine their target state. The guidelines also provide best practices and recommendations for implementing each of the 7 elements of the framework. For example, the guidelines provide recommendations for establishing a governance structure, designing and operating ICT-enabled business processes, and establishing a continuous improvement and innovation culture. Furthermore, the Y.2060's Y.2060 framework provides a set of key performance indicators, KPIs, that organizations can use to measure their performance and progress towards achieving operational excellence. The KPIs are categorized into 4 areas, including customer, financial, operational, and learning and growth. In conclusion, the Y.2060's Y.2060 framework and guidelines provide a comprehensive approach to achieving operational excellence in ICT-enabled business processes and services. By following the framework and guidelines, organizations can design, operate, and continuously improve their ICT-enabled business processes and services in a manner that is efficient, effective, and sustainable.